All right, guys, good morning. Today, obviously this was not shot when I'm posting this. This was shot beforehand. But today I wanted to bring you guys to my very first investment, just to kind of encourage you guys. A lot of you guys that are just starting out that are like, hey, what should I do? I really love the whole house hacking thing. So behind me is the first house that I purchased. So it was first-time home buyers. I think I put 3.5% down, which was really affordable, really low barrier to entry. So 100-year-old house. Uh, did put in some work as far as fencing and that type of thing. Interior as well, some windows upstairs. So yeah, it was definitely fun. This was the neighborhood that I lived in. So they actually just painted some lines on the street, which is pretty cool. And then here is the other side of the neighborhood. So yeah, I got this 7 years ago, and yeah, just over 7 years ago, we lived in the two-bedroom upstairs, and then later we rented that out and lived in the three-bedroom downstairs. So it was a really good first investment, and it's always just fun to swing by here when I'm out and about, just drive by and remember the beginnings, because it's definitely fun to remember where you came from. So that is all I have for you guys. You have a good one.